Logistics are key to the healthy function of any Navy. A core component of this is for warships to be able to replenish things such as food, fuel, and munitions from various types of support vessels while out at sea. But how do they get those various lines, hoses, and cables across to each ship without bringing the vessels dangerously close to each other? To work around this issue, the US Navy uses a modification of the M-14 called the Mark-87 Mod 1 line throwing kit. This kit enables the M-14 to launch a rubber projectile with a spool of line attached to it much farther than a person would be able to throw it. Blank rounds are used when the Mark-87 Mod 1 is equipped to the M-14. If you're sitting there thinking, hey, that just seems like a can cannon, you'd be correct. The Mark-87 Mod 1 is the OG version of the can cannon and functions off an identical principle. After the launcher has been equipped, a line can be launched from one vessel to the other. Once this is done, the crews can then safely send larger lines and equipment between the two vessels safely. When I was stationed in Yokosuka, Japan, I was able to record the Mark-87 Mod 1 being used to send mooring lines from the pier to a destroyer during the initial stages of the ship's dry docking. If we pause and look at this still frame, you can see the moment the rubber projectile exits the launcher, as well as the line spool that is attached to it. Let's go ahead and watch it again in slow motion. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. As a final word on the Mark-87 Mod 1 line throwing kit, it's important to still cover your ears or wear hearing protection when it's fired. When I recorded that video in Japan, I didn't have my ear pro put in, and my ears were ringing about the same as if the gun had fired live ball ammunition. Anyways, until next time, take care.